Hey guys, been getting a lot of questions about if you can do your math on a piece of paper and then submit a picture. 100% absolutely yes. If you prefer that over doing it online, that is completely fine. I am never going to turn that down. You are 100% able to do that. So, some people have had questions, how do I submit it though? Well, make sure you take a picture either with your computer or your phone and email it to yourself. Second, make sure it's saved onto your computer somewhere. You can make a file that says math homework and put it in there and know that all of my math homework is going to be just in that file. However you want to set your own things up. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to submit it onto Canvas. So you'll see a big blue button at the top there for every assignment that you're going to submit. I'm going to hit Submit Assignment. There should always be a file upload button here. You can use website URL, but those are for other ways to submit it. So to submit my own picture, I'm going to click File Upload. I'm going to click Choose File. Make sure you know where it's saved. So I have a math homework folder here, and I have all of my notes. And I'm going to go, okay, oh, here's today's assignments that I submit. I'm going to open it. It'll have the date and everything like that. And then the next step is I'm going to submit assignment. Once I submit it, wait a second and make sure it says, woohoo, I submitted the assignment. And see how it says submitted at this time and today. After that, you are free to work on other projects or things like that. If I accidentally submitted the wrong one and I go, oh, darn it, you can hit resubmit assignment and choose the actual right file. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me or stop me in class and go, I don't know how to do this. I'm always willing to help you guys. Have a great day.